What's up YouTube, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix a chain problem, and by that I mean a chain that keeps falling off your bike when you ride. This is your bike chain before you clicked on this video, and this is after the video. So with that said, let's get started. Spanner or spanners. Untie both nuts off your wheel. Hold your saddle stand and the rim. Then pull the wheel back. In doing so, that will create tension on the chain, and that's what you want. Let go of the saddle holder but not the wheel. Then tie your nut, making sure the wheel is straight. Between the arrows there is a frame. Make sure the wheel is not touching the frame. That's how you know the wheel is straight. Lift the chain, and if a lot comes up, the fix was not done right. When the fix was done correctly, there will be resistance when pulling the chain. If this was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications to never miss more content like this. Thanks for watching.